F-2 F function F4 F2 for today's date, and document type, company code, everything is there. Just give the miscellaneous expenses. Posting period is not open for fiscal year 25. Okay, you are able to see the variant of posting period. Otherwise, you can check from OBY6 also. ERG here, posting period variant ERG. Let's check, copy, and go to OB52 and position, go for posting period variant and change. This is second month. Change to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Save. Am I getting here to this? Okay. Then again go to F-02 and give the previous expense account. Number range is also missing. Okay. Let's check in FBN1 TCode. ERGO. It's for 2024 year only we have. Then just we will copy this number ranges from OP H2. R 0 1 to 51 and 2024 to 2025. Just give interval has been added. Let's check again. BN1. '51, 50, 19. I think 1 and 2 missed. Why it is missed again? We will execute. Here also that is missed. Go back. Why 1 and 2 missed? I think it's 0, 1, 2, 0, 2. Then execute. Yes, interval has been added. We missed initial 0. So because of that reason, that is not added. Slash N1, you can check here. Yeah, you are able to see. Now we are able to post or not. Let's check. F dash 02. Just take the miscellaneous expense. Required entry document. Let's say entry required for document edit text. Okay. Okay. This is a required entry. We need to give test. Sorry, reference field. Account 4000 blocked for posting. Okay. This is blocked. Okay, let's check. Go to FS 00. FS 00. Then after expenses account. Click on here, block variable. This is blocked for posting for in the company code level. So uncheck. Save. Let's try that 02 again. Sorry, again I missed. Document type SA and entry required document header text. Test. Reference field. Test. Fill 900. Test 50. And this is any bank GL account and cash in hand. Star. Text plus simulate and post. Yeah, finally document got posted. You're able to see here, display the document. Yes.